Grey hair, that too premature grey hair, can be reversed, and we will see a time-tested method today that is very effective. Ridge Guard, the vegetable, has great properties in reversing grey hair. It is traditionally used to stop premature graying. If you do not have grey hair, it delays the process. It usually takes 5 days to make this oil, but you can store it for a very long time. This oil does not have any strong smell, so you can leave it in a hair after you apply it. Once you start seeing the results, you'll be more confident to use this regularly, and make sure you use this continuously for better results. The best thing about this oil is it is completely natural, herbal, and it is time-tested method. Now let's see how to do this oil. Pick one fresh Ridge Guard and cut it into small pieces. Put it in a tray and keep it in a place where there is sunlight inside the house. Do not keep this in the sun directly, as it will turn brown and also lose its nutritional properties. After 2 or 3 days, it turns dry and crispy without any water content in it. It is important that it turns dry, if not, the oil that we prepare will get spoiled very soon. Now add this dried Ridge Guard pieces into coconut oil and leave it for 3 days. You may keep this in the sun, if possible, for some time every day. The oil is infused with Ridge Guard, but it doesn't change any color. After 3 days, transfer this into an iron pan if you have. If not, use any pan that you have and keep it in the stove and get this to boil. Let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Switch the stove off and let it cool completely. For around 500 grams of oil, use 1 Ridge Guard, which is around 100 grams. If you use an iron pan to make this oil, it will be much darker than what you see here in the video. Once this is completely cool, use a filter and separate the Ridge Guard chunks and store the oil in a bottle. Use this on your hair at least twice a week. Massage the oil on the scalp for 4 to 5 minutes every time you apply the oil. Leave it overnight if you cannot keep this oil in the hair for a long time. If you have grey hair, it will reverse further growth of grey hair from the roots. Continuous use of this will also promote faster hair growth. Coconut oil moisturizes the hair and helps to keep the hair shiny. Ridge Guard oil can be used by both men and women. You can use this Ridge Guard oil in place of any other regular oil that you use.